Welcome to my channel. Today we will be talking about if SoFi offers FDIC insurance. The answer is yes. SoFi Bank is a member of the FDIC, or Federal Deposit Insurance Corporation. This means that your deposits at SoFi are protected by the FDIC. The standard FDIC insurance limit is up to $250,000 per depositor, per bank, for each account ownership category. This is the same protection you would get at a traditional bank. However, SoFi also offers something called the SoFi Insured Deposit Program, or SIDP. This program allows members to increase their FDIC insurance coverage beyond the standard $250,000. Through a network of partner banks, SoFi can distribute your deposits across multiple institutions. This can increase your total FDIC insurance coverage to a much higher amount, potentially up to millions of dollars. It's important to remember that FDIC insurance only covers deposits in checking, savings, and money market accounts. It does not cover investment products like stocks, bonds, or mutual funds. Those are typically protected by the Securities Investor Protection Corporation, or SIPC. With that being said, thank you for watching. For more finance videos, kindly check my page. Please like, share, comment, and subscribe to my channel. Thank you.